Hey, what's up guys, this is Liam on CSGO Station. Today I'm going to be going through two different and very useful ways to get crosshairs in CSGO. Whether you want to copy some from your pros or you want to create one yourself, both these are very useful. The first one is a map that I will link in the description for you guys to go and download. It's Crash's Crosshair Generator V2, and the other option is a web-based option that I'll show you just after this map version. So this is a very useful map, easy to download, easy to play. Just play it offline without bots and you'll spawn straight inside of this room where you've got all the options in the world to change your crosshair. There's multiple different colors that you can choose from, as you can see on the left hand side there, and at the top you'll also see that there's different styles to choose from too. But it gets much more in depth than that. You can then click on each part that you want to change, so you can change the size if you want, and then you can go up and down, and it will increase and decrease as you shoot the different sections, and you can create any kind of crosshair that you want. There's the alpha option, there's the outline option, and honestly the possibilities are endless. Now, for the people that keep asking me what my crosshair is, I just use a standard green crosshair that pretty much comes with the game. I've just made it a little bit smaller, and that's just how I like to have it. Some people like really extravagant ones, and if you're new to the game, it's actually very helpful to have a crosshair that is dynamic, which means it moves when you shoot and when you're moving and when you shoot, so that you can tell if you should be firing or not, whereas more experienced players wouldn't choose to have this option. You can also turn off or on the show target ID option, which means when you're aiming at someone, it will display their name. As I mentioned earlier, there's also this massive plaque on the wall where you can go to any of your favorite pro teams and choose the pro player's crosshair that you like. They're all on here. Whether they're all kept up to date, I don't actually know, but at some point these players have used these. All of their individual names are on there. If you move through this elevator looking room, it actually takes you into a place where you can test your crosshair out. You can actually change the map design, as far as I know, as well, and you can just shoot these bots in the head and test out that crosshair with the gun of your choice. You can spawn in other guns if you like through the use of your console. That's completely up to you. Alternatively, you can go to tools.dahost.net, where you can move through your crosshair and be very specific on the type that you want. You can go through all the different options on the width, the size, if you want a dot, the color of it, and you can use all of these scrolly wheels to get it exactly how you want it. Very simple to move around. You can actually look at it on different maps, because some maps, certain colors aren't easy to see, so you may want to look through the different maps and different images just so you can tell if that crosshair will be visible on all the maps you're going to play. You can create absolutely absurd crosshairs if you want to challenge yourself or do something silly. That's completely up to you. Some people do actually play on big crosshairs, and one of the craziest reasons I've actually heard it is that people have big crosshairs so that when they drag down, the top of their crosshair will be whereabouts the recoil will be compensating to. So it's a very crazy idea. I like the idea, but I don't think it's the best thing to try and do. So once this is all done, you've got the crosshair that you like. All you have to do is copy the code shown on screen, go to your game, open up the console, paste the code in there and press return, and that is it. You have the crosshair that you have chosen. I really hope this helps you guys out. I genuinely believe these are the two best ways to change your crosshair. If there's any questions you had, be sure to ask me in the comments section down below, as I always reply, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Have a great day as always, guys. Take care and peace, people.